Stitch number 31, our last stitch, is the single feather stitch. Although I think it looks more like a sort of slanted blanket stitch or buttonhole stitch. So let's try it. You could do it without drawing two lines, doesn't really matter. Just find it helpful to get it sort of approximately even distance apart. So I come up at the top, in this case of the left line, insert the needle at the top of the right line, and then I come up inside the loop of the thread a short distance away from where I came up before on the left line, like that, and that makes the slant of the stitch. And then I insert the needle directly across from where I just came up, but on the right side. And then again I come up a short distance in front of where I came up before on the left side. It's a good idea to keep the thread taut if you can. And then I insert the needle directly across on the right side, come up on the left side inside the loop of the thread, insert the needle on the right and come out on the left inside the loop. And that's really all there is to it. And then you just carry on. So my thread is running out, so I'm going to stop here. So I'm going to secure it just with a short stitch over the loop. And if I had run out while I was stitching it and then I needed to restart it, I would just come up at the same point inside the loop, and then I could carry on stitching. On the template I have drawn just a few lines to give you an idea of where to put the stitches. You can repeat this pattern if you want, or you can just eyeball it. So I start at the top here on the left line, insert the needle at the top of the right line, and I come out inside the loop of the thread a short distance away from where I came up on the left, and then come over directly on the right, insert the needle, and then I come up on the left inside the loop. And I can just carry on like that to make the last border on this sampler. If you prefer to have this straight line on the outside, you can definitely do that. You just stitch from the start on the right side, so come up on the right, down, and then come up on the left. It's a very easy stitch to do. This border will be done in no time. Right, I hope you enjoyed this stitch, and I hope you've enjoyed all the other stitches. So happy stitching! The tutorial you have just watched is part of a series of 31 stitch tutorials that I have made to go along with the pattern for this embroidery stitch sampler. I I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want to check out the pattern, you can find the link in the description. And whatever you're making, happy stitching.